I'm hanging flat. Man, I don't know what to do.
Here, let me show you what to do. Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire, didn't know what to do? Well, today I will be showing you exactly how to change a tire quickly and safely. We have all been in this, we at one point will be in a situation or have been, and it is important to know exactly how to handle a situation. So today I'll be talking about two things. First, what is required to change a tire? And secondly, what are the steps in changing a tire? So firstly, I'll begin by showing you the required materials. You will need a jack, a tire iron, and a wheel lock if necessary. So now that I've shown you what is required, I will show you how to properly and safely change a tire. First, you will take the wheel lock and the tire iron. You will place the wheel lock snugly and safely over the wheel stud or wheel lock. Place the tire iron with the correct socket over the lock. Now that that's done, next you will loosen the lug nut. Not all the way. Now that all the lugs are loosened, we will now proceed in lifting the vehicle. You will take your jack and slide it underneath the vehicle. Now underneath the vehicle, there will be a metal piece to which you will align to the center of the jack. Place it underneath the vehicle until you find the metal point to which it needs to jack up onto. You'll then lift the vehicle until the wheel has lifted above the ground. You will then remove the rest of the lug nuts that are on the vehicle. Now that all the lug nuts are off, you proceed by removing the wheel. And in your situation, adding a replacement wheel. What you will do next is align these studs with the proper holes. You will then add the lug nuts on again. First, finger tight. Then slightly tighten with the tire iron. While tightening, ensure to go in a cross pattern to ensure an even pressure. Now that this is done, we will lower the vehicle once more. remove the jack. Then tighten the lug nuts as tight as you possibly can. Again, in a cross pattern. You may now proceed and put everything back in your trunk or wherever you found it. And you have now successfully and safely removed and replaced a flat tire. So let's go over what we have done today. Today I have shown you first the materials that are required to change a flat tire. And secondly, I have walked you through every step that is required to remove and replace a tire safely. So when it comes to having a flat tire, you have two options. Either one, replace your tire yourself, or two, wait 30 minutes for AAA to get there. Personally, I would suggest doing it yourself and knowing that you will do it quickly and safely through the methods I've shown you. Thank you.